Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Now today what we will do? We will do chapter 23 from Art and Activity Skill Book. Chapter 23 name Cock. Name Cock. Now take out your book and your crayons. Have a look to our worksheet. Join the letters A to Z to complete the cock. Also color it. Now, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. That means A to Z. 26 letters, that means A to Z. Now, we have to complete these letters. Okay. Now, first of all, take out your pencil. Take out your pencil and start doing with me. We will start from A and last from Z. That means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then where is I? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, then Z. Make it fast. Again tell me, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. We start from A and Z. Complete it fast. Now take out your crayons. Take out your crayons. First of all, take out your brown color. Start coloring brown. Brown color. Next, red color. Do it fast. Again, red color. Complete it fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.